does.
He's really into character now.
Yeah, he's really from the hood.
He was born in the hood.
Now sing something. Like Zico.
Hey Eminem, you got stage fright up there?
What?
You got stage fright?
No, I don't know anything. Is that?
Okay. Do you think Zico thinks in my mind?
Gonna go a little slower than that. I'm getting older.
I've been this feels so long that even Zico.
Chris, the fastest dog in the world. This field and right, it's so long. Even Zico thinks it's cool.
You're an idiot.
What? I didn't get it all.
I don't care. You, okay? You've been harming this grain and plowing.
You've been harder than this grain
And plowing these fields so long, and even Zico thinks that my mind is gone.
Even Zico thinks my mind's gone. Yo.
Quit starting over.
Do something, monkey butt.
You get up here and do something with me.
I'll sing it with you, but you just gotta do it.
You know, you sing, I'll do the motions.
Nah.
Just go.
No.
Yeah, that'd be funny. Let Chris do the motions.
You gotta do the break. There you go. Yeah.
No.
Go ahead, sing.
Okay. I've been hard in this grain and plowing this field so long, and even Zico thinks that my mind is gone. You're too microphone.
Do something, monkey butt.
Your turn, Andy's turn. Yeah.